In this video, I'm going to go over exactly how you can scrape emails and leads from Google Maps using Google Maps Scraper. But before I start, there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind. The first one is Google Maps is the biggest database for B2 billion data in the world. It's got details on all kinds of businesses, phone numbers, websites, and full addresses. But especially if you're into marketing. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to find email addresses on Google Maps with Map Scraper, a powerful tool designed to extract business contact information from Google Maps. Please watch the whole video to get full value. Step 1, go to Map Scraper website. Step 2, download Map Scraper. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button, and after the page opens, click on the Map Scraper 2.7 new release button to download the latest update. So with this version, you can, scrape emails and social media links from Google Maps. Step 3, install the tool. Go to extensions page by clicking on their dots in the upper right corner and select extensions followed by manage extensions. In extensions page, turn on developer mode by clicking on the toggle switch in the top right corner. Now drag and drop the downloaded file onto the extensions page. Step 4, log in with your Google account. Once the tool is installed, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you can start scraping data from Google Maps. To do this, click on the Open Google Maps button. Step 5, start scraping. Now, I want to scrape leads from Google Maps. I want to scrape media agency in Dubai. I'll write that in the search bar and click the Start Scraping button. If you want to scrape emails, click the Scrape Google Maps with Email or Scrape Google Maps with Emails and Social Media Links button. Keep in mind that it will take a little bit of time to scrape all emails. If you click the Scrape Without Email button, it will scrape faster, but it will not collect emails for you. It is very important that you do not close the page or minimize the browser window while scraping is in progress. Doing so will cancel the scraping process and you will lose all of the data that has been scraped so far. Just wait until the scraping is finished, and then you can close the page or minimize the browser window. Important note, don't open too many tabs while scraping. It slows down the process. Please wait until you've gathered all the results, especially when scraping emails, even if you finish scrolling in Google Maps. After you have finished scraping, please download your data as an Excel file or any other type of file. If you do not do this, you will lose your data and will have to start scraping all over again next time. If you want to make the Map Scraper run faster while scrolling, go to Settings and change the scrolling speed to 100 or 200. Additionally, you can filter the data and uncheck the data you don't like. To start new scraping process, simply type your keyword in the search bar and click start. Then wait for the results.